And then when we have the answer, what do we do with our thumb? Everyone show me.
And then if we have another answer too.
You just totally read my mind, because after we have one answer, do mathematicians turn our brains off?
No.
We keep thinking of another way to do it so we don't turn our brains off. We keep thinking so we keep getting smarter and smarter. Okay, so I'm going to start out first with just a little bit of pictures to kind of get our brain juices going. So I want everyone to look at this a minute and kind of think, how would you add these two numbers together, and how do you maybe picture it in your mind? So everyone just think a minute. And you could, even though these are pictures, use the same symbols. So once you have an idea in your head, to share with me how they see this. How do you see these?
Well, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Okay. Did you see these threes or these threes? 3 plus 3 is 6?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then 6 plus 6 is 12.
So you kind of saw it as the double stacked like this, right? Double stacked 6 plus 6 is 12. That's a good, do y'all know that double stacked 6 plus 6 is 12? But then, what did you do?
I had to add one more, and that would equal 13.
You're right, because we can't just leave that one off. So what is that called? You used a double stacked, but it's not quite a double. What is it? It's a
near double.
Near double, right. Good. So 6 plus 7 is a near double, and you use that 6 plus 6 back. Okay, here's a harder one. They're so smart. I see. They're all using those signals. Okay. Tell me, how do you see this? Ooh, so he's using that double stacked of 7 plus 7, so you kind of acted like there's 2 more dots here, right? It's 14, and then what did you do? Okay, so 7 plus 7 is 14, but what are our numbers here? We have 7 plus 5. So what are we going to do to figure out 7 and 5? I don't. Or if you want to pass you. Okay, so are we going to add one more? If it was 7 and 7, if we acted like there's 2 more dots here, but are there 2 more dots? Nope, so we're actually going to take away 2 more dots from our 14, right? So 14 and take away 2 is
12.
12. Good job. So he used the double stack of 7 plus 7 to help him solve this. Did anyone use a different double stack to help you solve this one?
So 5 plus 5 equals 10.
So you pictured 5 plus 5 is 10. Perfect.
And then 2 more is 12.
2 more is 12. Right. So there are 2 different double stacks we could use to solve that one, right? Which one's the best one to use?
5 plus 5.
If that works with your brain best. But really, it's kind of whichever double stack works best in your brain. Whichever one you can use most kind of quickly and efficiently to get the right answer. Okay, so now we're going to kind of take what we did with this. Now we're just going to do it with number sentences, with equations. You guys ready? I got some hard stuff. This is super hard. I don't know if y'all even know it. What is that one? Everyone?
16.
16. Do y'all know that double?
Yes.
Yes. So let's put that up here and remember. Good job. Now we're going to get a little harder. Oh, thank you. What is your thinking here?
8 plus 7 equals 15.
And how did you solve that?
Because I saw that 8 plus 8 is 16, so
Yes.
I just had to take away 1.
6, right, because this is 1 less than 8. So 16 minus 1 is 15. Did anyone solve it that way? double fact we could use to solve this one?
Yeah, 7 plus 7 equals 14. And then if you add one more, it's 15.
Because 8 is one bigger. Yes. Awesome. Let's do another one. Ooh, this one's really hard.
It can't be too hard.
I believe you. I don't think it could be too hard for this class. What is your
I'm thinking that it's 17 because I know that 8 plus 8 is 16, so one more is 17. I need two more. No, that's one more.
Yeah. You know, I loved how you just justified your thinking. You said 8 plus 9 is 17 because I know, and then you told me your thinking. You just justified your thinking. That was awesome. Good job. Is there another way?
9 plus 9 is 18, so if you take away 1, it'll be 17.
Good job. Good job. Okay, let's put that one up here. Okay, and I'm going to do one more. And it's going to be crazy, crazy hard, guys.
It can't be too
I
hard.
know. I can't stump y'all. You're going to have to let me know if you're ever able to stump them. Okay.
We're unstoppable. Unstoppable. What does that even mean? It means that nothing can stop. Like if you like so fast, nothing can stop us. We are unstoppable.
No.
17 plus 18 will be 1,080. No, 17 plus 8. 7 equals 7 plus 1 plus 8 plus 8 is 7 minus 7 plus 8.
No.
Do 1 plus 1. I know. Oh, easy.
Oh, I appreciate those of y'all using your hand signals. Someone might first. Okay, share your thinking with me.
I know that it's 16 because if you add 1 from the 7, it makes 10 plus 6.
So you kind of broke that 7 into 6 plus 1, so you did 10 plus 6.
That was mine.
Is that what you said? Sorry, I got lost in my own thinking there. Is that what, and then what did you do?
Then I knew that it was 16 because it was 9 and it needed 1 more to make 10.
So explain to me how you got a 10, because I don't see a 10 in this problem anywhere.
Because you only need to add 1 from the 7 to the 9.
So you move that one over there. Are you allowed to change numbers like that, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, you're allowed to, as long as you keep track of all the numbers. Excellent, good job. Did anyone else have a different strategy on that one?
Second.
Do you have a different one?
8 plus 7 equals 15. And then if you add 1 more, it equals 16.
Because 9 is one bigger. Good, so you used the string we had going. Excellent job. You guys are
Are you going
such...
to do another hard one? And stop
You know what, today I am done because you'll have other math to do. But I'm so excited. I'm going to come back in a few weeks and do another